Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import emails from Gmail to ProtonMail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to import emails from Gmail into ProtonMail, firstly open your ProtonMail application or open ProtonMail in any of your web browsers. After doing that, this tab will open up. You just simply have to go to All Settings from Settings, and then you will see this Import via EG Switch option in Account Settings. Click into that and scroll down to the bottom. Now, you will see this Import Messages option here. You can choose a service provider to start. You just simply have to choose Google to import Gmail emails into here. After doing that, select all the options that you want to import and then click on the Start Import option. Now, again click to continue and then select the account that you want to use. After doing that, click to continue again and then this Start Import option will appear. You just simply have to tap into that button and your import will successfully be started. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.